The ocean is beautiful but dangerous place. It's home to some lethal creatures on earth. Today we are diving for 5 most dangerous creatures that can be found in an ocean. At number 1 we have box jellyfish. Box jellyfish is one of the toxic creatures on planet. Its tentacles are loaded with toxins that attacks on heart, nervous system and skin cells. A sting from box jellyfish can cause severe pain and even death in just a few minutes. Here's the fun fact about it that it's nearly invisible, making it even more dangerous. At number 4, we have the great white shark. The great white shark is known for its sheer power and huge size. She is responsible for most recorded shark attacks on human beings. While this predator is not specifically looking for humans, but its sharp teeth and powerful jaws makes her more creepy and more dangerous. This is a fun fact about it. She can detect even a single drop of blood in 25 gallons of water. So avoid beaches. Number 3, we have the blue ringed octopus. This is deadly but small creature. Despite of its small size, it contains enough toxins to kill about 26 human beings within minutes. There is no known antidote for it, so encounter should be avoided. Fun fact about it that it contains a potential neurotoxin. At number 2, we have saltwater crocodile. At Southeast Asia and northern Australia, this massive reptile is very aggressive. It's the largest living crocodile species, and its close encounter can be deadly. They have strongest bite of any animal. The fun fact about it, the saltwater crocodile, it can take down the animal as large as water buffalo and even sharks. For one, we have stonefish. They are hidden in stone floors. Have toxic spines that are capable of giving severe pain. Its toxin can cause potential paralysis, shock, and if untreated, then death in hours. So always watch your steps near the ocean because it's dangerous. The ocean is full of depths, wonders, and beauty. Stay safe and respect creatures that call it home. If you enjoyed learning about these deadly creatures, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more adventures.